On 1st of November around 6 a.m. early morning, Bolero Pick-up overturned due to excessive speeding along National Highway 39 at Dilawjan. It was informed that the incidents took place on 1st November around 6 a.m. early morning, while the mini truck bearing registration number AS037472 was heading towards Bolero from Jorhat. The driver of the truck was identified as Altaf Khan, resident of Jorhat. No loss of life had been reported so far, but the truck was told to have sustained critical damage due to drowsy driving along the National Highway 39. After the case of incidents was informed to Bolero police station, Bolero police reached the spot in no time. During interrogation, driver of the mini truck informed that the truck was loaded with edible oils and was on its way to deliver at Bolero. Anantirang's report from Bolero for Karbing Long Line.